Hi there, and welcome to StockSync. You can update or add status to products with the matching column. On the matching column of the feed, find or select status from the store product fields. Enter the column name or index for mapping. For the status field settings, you can set active, draft, and archived indicators. This feature allows you to specify your own indicator from the feed file. For example, your file could be using available, not available, and removed as the indicators. By default, the indicators will use active, draft, and archived as the values. You can use any value according to your feed file. Replace the value here as your feed file, which is available, not available, and removed. Once you are ready, click on Next and all changes will be saved.